Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'm going to make this component multilingual with AI-generated translations. Let's change this page to German. As you can see, we haven't internationalized this page yet. In the code, we're using next-international, but you can do what we're going to do with any internationalization library. I'm going to open the i18 Nexus VS Code extension, copy the About Us text to the value field. We'll give this message a key of about.header. And next, we'll give our AI translator some context that this is a header for our About web page, and submit. And now we'll swap out this text with our new key. So that's going to be T and then header. And after saving, look at that. We have our German translation. We can even see back in our messages directory, we have the translation right here, and it's there for all of our languages, including English and Italian. Now let's quickly do the same for this text right here. So I'm going to copy that and open up the i18 Nexus extension, paste that in here. We'll call this about.subheader and submit. Then we will swap out this text here with the new key. This will be T subheader and save. And just like that, all the text in our component is translated. We could switch to Italian. We could switch back to English. But it's not only syncing to our project, it's actually in a dashboard in i18nexus.com where we can see all the keys and translations for our project, where you can edit your values on the fly. So let's add a couple exclamation points there and take a look at our app. Boom. Automatically synced with everyone's local environment. And you can see here on updates, the value is automatically retranslated with OpenAI. You can view this list as a flat list as we are now, or as a nested list if you prefer a JSON-like nested view. You can also invite professional translators to the translator view where they can edit and verify the AI translations. And that's it. If you want to learn how to set this up in your React or Next.js projects, just click the link in the description or go to i18nexus.com.